Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Binance Copy Trading, where you can leverage the expertise of top traders to enhance your crypto trading experience. If you're looking to maximize profits with minimal effort, copy trading on Binance is a great way to start. To access exclusive benefits, use my referral code during registration on Binance and get a bonus of up to $600 and a trading fee discount of up to 45%. To get started, navigate to the Binance Copy Trading section. Here, you'll find a range of top traders whose strategies you can replicate. Browse through the list and select a trader based on key performance metrics such as ROI, PNL, win rate, and trading frequency. Binance provides detailed statistics, including their trading history and overall performance, helping you make informed decisions. You can even access a mock copy mode to simulate trades before committing any funds. Once you select a trader, you'll need to configure your copy trading settings. In the standard mode, you can choose the amount you'd like to allocate to the copy trade and set basic parameters like the number of trades or orders to follow. If you prefer more control, the advanced mode allows for specific adjustments like setting risk management parameters, adjusting leverage, and choosing custom stop-loss and take-profit levels. This flexibility helps tailor your copy trading experience to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Additionally, Binance supports both spot and futures copy trading, so you can diversify your strategies across different markets. The spot market focuses on regular crypto trades, while futures trading allows for leveraging positions to amplify gains. With every trade, Binance provides transparency, including detailed reports of your copied trades, asset preferences, and trade frequencies. This makes it easy to track your progress and adjust your strategy over time. Remember, while copy trading simplifies your trading journey, understanding the risks and monitoring performance is key to long-term success. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more exciting content.
Let's continue if you want to discover two unique crypto exchanges, WEEX and Bitunix. Both WEEX and Bitunix offer competitive trading fees, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and access without mandatory KYC for many core features. New users can also unlock bonuses of up to 10,000 USDT by signing up through my links below and completing the available promotions. Click my links below to join WEEX or Bitunix and claim your exclusive new user rewards.